Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we'll discuss about a topic triple constraint. And triple constraint is a concept, very basic concept of project management. So today we will see this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. Triple constraint. Friend, triple constraint theory in project management says that every project operates within the boundaries of a scope, time and cost. A change in one factor will invariably affect the other two factors. Friend, every project has different aspects and different constraints. One of the three constraints, very main and popular concepts, are scope, time and cost. If there is any change either in scope, either in time or cost, so if there is any change in one factor, it will definitely impact or create a change for other two factors as well. The first factor is scope. Scope means, friend, that what actually you have to deliver. These are the scope document. The scope defines the boundaries of deliverable which we are going to deliver to the customer. If there is any change in the scope, obviously it will impact time and cost factors as well. Also, if the scope is not properly and completely defined, so it will result as a scope creep in a project. Second factor is a time. Time means, friend, that the duration of a project. Like for example, whenever you are initiating a project, you must have to define that in how many months, in how many days you will deliver the project to a customer. For example, for a project you are saying that you will deliver the project in a 5 months, for example. So this is the time duration of a project. Time is totally dependent on the scope. Like whatever you are going to develop, whatever you are going to deliver, so time duration is dependent on the scope. Like if scope is very complex, obviously it will take more time. If a scope is very easy to deliver, so obviously time is low, time is will decrease as well. The third factor is the cost. Cost means, friend, that what the project which you are going to deliver, that how much cost is required to complete a project, how much cost is required. So cost is dependent on the resources, hardware, software, human resources. Time is also a cost, time is also a resource. So cost is dependent on the number of resources which you are going to use to deliver a project. If there is any change in the scope, so it will impact the cost as well. If there is any change in the time, so it will impact the cost as well. For example, at the time of initiation of a project, you have to deliver only 3 module for a project. So for example, the cost was $5,000. Now customer is saying that he need 2 more module as a change request, for example. So it will increase the scope. When you increase the scope, the cost will also increase. Initially the project was completing in 5 months. Okay, now project is now going to complete in 8 months. So if time is increased, for example 3 months, so obviously more resources will be required, hardware, software, human resources. So it will have an impact on the cost as well. So if there is any change in the time, so it will impact the cost factor as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.